Hey everybody, Emmy here with Astro Metal Craft. We are here at the St. Michael Crow River BMX track. Today we are doing a little install on our picket railing fence here. BMX track is actually something that's near and dear to our heart at Astro. We've got quite a few employees that volunteer here at the track, that race here at the track, and this year they're actually bringing in the Land O'Lakes National Championship here to St. Michael. So we're super excited to be a part of bringing BMX to the community, and come check out our railing.
My name is Dan Isaacs. I am the track operator, one of the two track operators at Crow River BMX in St. Michael, Minnesota. I am an employee of Astro. I'm in sales and project management as well as estimating. I've been here for a year and a half. So we've had a very long string of projects at the track over the course of the last 3 or 4 years. Some of the projects we are implementing and following through with, a lot of them focus on the spectators. The ultimate experience at a nationals, having good viewing of the track, being able to see the races from anywhere on the facility. And we are blessed with a track that's built into a hill, so the entire north side of the track can be seen from anywhere you stand. We started working about 3 years ago on the retaining wall project that basically raised the spectator area by the gate and by the staging area quite a bit. It widened it by about 40 feet and created more of a spectator pad and congregation location, place for people to gather and watch the racing close to where all the action's happening. Not too many tracks have the ability to spectate that close to one of the turns. Being able to look down inside the turn is actually a very exhilarating and fun experience. And to do that safely, we needed some fall protection because the retaining walls are 12 to 14 feet high. We needed some quality barriers and fall protection from a quality manufacturer like Astro Metal Craft. So the retaining wall project has the fencing on top, so it's going to be all steel fencing, hot dip galvanized finish to match all the fencing on that facility. So that is roughly 240 feet of picket fencing with 3/4 inch square bar pickets, 2x3 rectangular tubing, top rails and posts, all core drilled into a foundation built by the city of St. Michael. And then the second part of the project that Astro is helping us out with is our audio system upgrade. The track up at Fergus Falls had a stainless steel or aluminum fabricated speaker box that they had their speaker in, and they never had to tear it down or put it up. It was just always there. They just opened the door and turned it on, which I thought was really nice. Crow River BMX worked with Astro to develop, design, and manufacture 5 speaker boxes because our track is very large, and they're spread out around the track, mounted to the light poles that were just recently installed. And all of the audio cables and power cables will run through the poles underground through all the conduit, and everything will be set up 24/7 year round. So all we have to do is turn it on, and we're able to hook it up with Cat 5 cable. It's all Bluetooth from your phone, so now me as the announcer can sit at the finish line and control all of the audio systems and options from the finish line remotely, which is fantastic.
I'm Jordan Beaudry. We're here at Crow River BMX. Been involved here for 13 years. Currently I'm a board member here, which is pretty cool. This first project we're doing here is some fence through Astro Metal Craft. Got involved with Astro Metal Craft through training one of Tony's sons. Nationals are a big deal in BMX. We'll have people from across the world and countries coming here to this track. Currently, we're making this place a little more prettier with the fence, of course, and the speaker boxes. Can't wait to see it.
The Land O'Lakes National is coming back to St. Michael for the first time in 21 years. The first time the Land O'Lakes National was at St. Michael was in 1998, so this is the 25-year anniversary of the first national. We're trying to reshape and revitalize the landscape at the Lower Recreation Park in St. Michael to create a cycling destination as it once was back in the 1990s. That's when the track was originally founded. as Crow River BMX. It ran for a few years and it was abandoned for a few years. Then it was brought back as STMA BMX, and we just rebranded back to the original name last fall in honor of the Nationals coming on.
So this is a little bit what's going on here at the track. Astro is super psyched to be a partner with the Crow River BMX team. We look forward to doing more projects at the track and here in St. Michael and the Hanover community. If you want to reach out and be a partner with us, you can find us via email or on our social media. Thanks for watching.